What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be taking this Deprito Moto windscreen off and comparing it to this Amazon one that I will throw a link to down in the description. That was $48 versus Deprito's $230 for this one. The only reason this one is shiny is because I have some spray wax from Motul on it right now. When that one was new, it looked like this. So I'm gonna break it down. If the hardware is different, we'll see if there's any paint quality difference, if there's any weight difference. Because from right now, these two look exactly the same. And this one even sits right over the Deprito and fits up, where the bolt holes are matching and everything. So stay tuned. And if you have any questions or want to see any other reviews, drop it down in the description. So right here I've got both the Deprito Moto and the Amazon Special, all of the hardware. Got all the hardware for the Deprito right there. Gonna go ahead and turn this on. Just a little food scale that we use. Let's go 2 pounds. The Amazon, get all of our hardware thrown in. So we're at 15.41 in total for the Amazon. The Deprito is 1 pound and 14 ounces. So there's a little bit of difference somewhere in that, but I don't know where it's at. Me personally, for the price of the Deprito, I'd be buying this Amazon all day. It's built the exact same, it looks the exact same. My guess is it's probably the same manufacturer somewhere over in China or something that Deprito is just laser engraving their name on. So after doing a little bit more looking, I did notice that you can see the Deprito is the shiny one. Sorry, I have some Motul spray that I was trying out for a different video on it. Doesn't look terrible, but the Deprito is shiny, the Amazon one's right behind it. If you look at the corners, you can kind of see where Deprito spent a little bit more time smoothing everything out. There's not these notches in it. But I'm going to try one more little thing, and that is I have the Deprito Moto stands on the bike already. I'll take this Amazon, and sure enough, as you can see right there, it lines up with all 4 bolt holes. This is the same part. If it were me, I'm spending the money on Amazon and getting this one instead of the Deprito Moto. I paid my money for both of them, so I'm gonna go back together with my Deprito just because I have that video and it's already oiled up, and I'll just hang on to this one. Might sell it on Facebook Marketplace, or might just give it away to somebody else who has a Gen 3 MT09. Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you on the next one.